Best deals.
1. Container. Spill-free pouring design. Precision-shaped edge ensures smooth, controlled pouring without spills or drips, perfect for liquid servings. Designed for direct heating and cold storage, allowing cooking, storing, and serving in a single container. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Piping bags. Is made from high-quality cotton bag with inner side food-grade plastic laminated. Cotton exterior provides for excellent control and grip. Food-grade interior helps with smoother icing flow and easy cleanup. Just screw on, off the couplers to fast-changing nozzles, and you can make different patterns at once. Double stitching ensures bag won't get leak. Great for all your baking and decorating adventures. Used to decorating cake, cupcakes, cookies, candy. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cooking pot. Experience superior quality and elegant design with this premium glass cookware set. Crafted from 100% food-grade high borosilicate glass, it is completely lead-free, non-toxic, and a healthier alternative to plastic or stainless steel cookware. A perfect blend of safety, style, and functionality. Add it to your kitchen today and enjoy cooking with confidence. This glass pot with lid is built to withstand temperatures from 0 to 400. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Tawa. Heavy-duty cast iron for optimal heat retention and even heating. With proper seasoning, it gets better with every use for cooking. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Teapot. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass that withstands high temperatures without cracking or shattering. The smooth, non-porous borosilicate glass surface makes cleaning effortless. Microwave safe for added convenience and time saving in your daily routine. Features a premium stainless steel infuser for a smooth, flavorful brew. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Trash bin. Made from durable 410 grade stainless steel, HOFU hanging trash can comes with a tight seal lid to block odors. Rust-proof, waterproof, and easy to clean. Flip the lid up or slide it down, designed for flexibility and ease, no matter your kitchen setup. Clean white color with a smooth matte texture adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Lunch box. Comes with a split partition design, allowing you to separate different foods like fruits, salads, and main dishes. This design helps you maintain a nutritious, balanced diet by avoiding flavor mixing, keeping your meals fresh, clean, and perfectly organized. It's durable, reusable, and designed for long-term use, whether storing fresh fruits, snacks. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Containers. Crafted from premium-grade stainless steel, the Masala Box for Kitchen is a durable and corrosion-resistant solution for your spice storage needs. With 130 ml each container features a see-through lid for easy identification of spices. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Canister. This is actual borosilicate glass, the same material used in baby bottles and laboratory equipment. Zero chemical leaching, even with hot spices or oily foods. Won't stain when you store turmeric. Won't absorb odors when you store hing. Crystal clear transparency means you see your cardamom, saffron, almonds instantly without opening. Glass is forever safe, no BPA, no toxins, no worries. Because what touches your family's food should be as pure as your intentions. The 1200 ml size holds a week's worth for the whole family, so you are not constantly refilling during your busiest days. The airtight seal plus premium borosilicate glass means zero spills, zero stress, zero mess. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Frying pan. Durable 5-layer, Mafan, medical stone, coating for superior non-stick performance, minimal oil cooking and easy release. Flat bottom induction compatible pan works seamlessly on gas, electric, halogen and induction cooktops. Wooden grain or heat resistant handle ensures a secure, balanced grip. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Organizer. Useful to organize bras, panties, vests, underwear, ties, handkerchiefs and other small garments. Keeps your inner wears clean. Space saving, simply unzip the underside and fold flat to store. And open the zip when ready for use. Easy to store at home and carry in travel. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Jars. Keep your cooking essentials neatly stored and easily visible with these high-quality stainless steel containers. The transparent window makes it simple to check your supply levels at a glance. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Casserole. Is crafted from high-quality, lead-free tempered glass, ensuring even heat distribution and preventing harmful chemicals from leaching into your food. Enjoy healthier, more flavorful meals every time. This versatile casserole is perfect for preparing, cooking, baking, serving, mixing and storing a wide range of dishes, from hearty casseroles and soups to elegant desserts. Its large 1000 ml capacity accommodates various serving sizes. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Spice rack. Easy to use jars with 3 holes and easily twistable lids. Easy to clean, refillable jars compatible with dishwasher use. Keeps spices fresh and free from odor. Carousel design for easy access to spice collection. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Trivets. Superior quality eco-friendly cotton fabric, quilted with thick cotton padding gives a durable, long-lasting, daily use and wash product. A 2 inches hanging loop at the corner makes it simple to hang it from any hook after you finish using. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Pot. Ideal for a wide range of dishes, including biryanis, curries, stews, and rice, making it a versatile addition to your cookware collection. Even heating ensures uniform cooking by distributing heat evenly, reducing the risk of hot spots and scorching. Equipped with sturdy, ergonomic handles that stay cool during cooking for safe and easy handling. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Steamer. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel for safe steaming, cooking and long-lasting kitchen use. Expandable to fit various pot sizes, adjusts from 6 to 10.5 inches to fit small pots, pans, pressure cookers and cookware with ease. Perfect for steaming vegetables, momos, dumplings, eggs, seafood, baby food, washing fruits and draining. Convenient center post helps lift the basket safely from hot cookware and supports easy handling. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Colander. Folds flat for easy storage and expands to fit over most sinks. Ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. Perfect for draining pasta, rinsing fruits, vegetables, and more. A versatile kitchen essential for daily use. Made from BPA-free, food-safe silicone and premium plastic. Heat-resistant, sturdy, and long-lasting. Ergonomic handles offer a secure grip and stay cool to the touch, making it easy to use with hot or cold foods. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Tadka pan. Is designed for preparing tadka, melting butter, reheating small quantities of food or quick heating of flavorful spices. Made from 3 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction for faster cooking. Comes in 11 cm diameter size and is compatible on gas ovens. The riveted handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Soap roller. You just open the lid and place the soap between the spring base and the sponge roller and it's ready to use. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Lunch box. Advanced vacuum insulation engineered with double wall vacuum insulation, this lunch box helps retain the temperature of your food for extended hours. It keeps meals hot or cold while preserving freshness and taste. Ideal for enjoying home-cooked food just the way you packed it. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Duster. Featuring innovative split fiber technology, the duster becomes electrostatically charged as you use it, attracting dust and hairs with ease. Use it wet or dry to get your house spick and span. Lightweight, sturdy and durable, can be used for household appliances, ceiling, window blinds, ceiling fans, various furniture and cars. Just slide the head of the telescopic wand, hand wash with warm or low heat water. Then place in ventilated place to dry. We've also designed the base of the extending rod with a hanging hole to make storage. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Frying pan. Thick cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention for perfectly cooked meals. Pre-seasoned with natural oils, providing a non-stick surface that enhances the flavor and requires less cooking oil. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Grill. Made from high-quality, non-stick premium aluminum, this jumbo sandwich maker ensures even heat distribution and low butter absorption, promoting healthy cooking while making cleanup a breeze. Designed to accommodate big bread slices, this grill toaster is ideal for preparing hearty sandwiches like vegetable, cheese, club, or aloo sandwiches. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Brush. With long handle combines a sturdy brush and flexible rubber scraper for removing dirt, hair, and liquids efficiently. These flow brush has 45 degrees angled handle reduces bending, while trapezoidal bristle layout reaches corners for thorough cleaning. Flow brush with long handle perfectly works on tiles, floors, walls, sinks, and decks. The long bristles make daily cleaning easier. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Hangers. Comes with 4 claws on each hanger, providing excellent support to prevent clothes from slipping or sagging, ensuring a neat and organized closet. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Jar. With a wide opening making it easy to eat from, as well as a durable stainless steel lid which doubles as a measuring cup, a silicone sealing disc, and an innovative silicone band with a stainless steel spoon. Jar set is a unique way to store and enjoy foods such as yogurt, cereal and overnight oats whether at home or on the go. The capacity of this container is 0.35 liter, 350 milliliters, which is perfect for storing medium portions of fruit and on-the-go breakfast items, made from high-quality borosilicate glass with pristine clarity in consistent thickness ensuring no weak points. This jar is dishwasher safe. Glass is made from natural ingredients, ensuring no harmful chemicals or toxins can leak into your food. The glass is also BPA-free and does not absorb odors, flavors, or stains. Not only is glass a healthier option, but it is also made to last and never for single use. The lid measures the perfect amount of oats needed for overnight oats. Simply fill the lid to the top with oats, pour in the jar and top up with milk. Leave in the fridge overnight and in the morning you'll have overnight oats ready to eat. Whether it's overnight oats or yogurt and granola, the breakfast jar is perfect for on-the-go use. The silicone seal and lid means this won't leak in your bag, and the set comes with a spoon and spoon holder too. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Spin mop. Delivers superior cleaning performance with a high-speed spin feature, effectively removing dirt and grime from various floor surfaces with minimal effort. Equipped with a modern Type-C charging port, the electric mop fully recharges in just 3 to 4 hours, while the retractable extension handle allows for comfortable cleaning without bending, making it easy to reach under furniture and in tight spaces. Equipped with a powerful 2000 mAh battery, this electric mop offers up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning, ensuring you can tackle large areas without interruptions. Choose between 3 speed settings to adjust the cleaning power according to the surface and level of dirt, making it versatile for different types of floors. The automatic spin mechanism effectively scrubs and cleans a variety of surfaces, including bathrooms and kitchens, leaving floors spotless with minimal effort. Equipped with a powerful electric brush for thorough dirt removal, ensuring a deep clean and pristine finish on your floors and bathroom surfaces. Equipped with a high-speed motor delivering up to 4,200 RPM, this electric scrubber removes stuff stains, grease, and grime quickly and efficiently. The tilt-and-lock adjustable head easily adapts to different angles, making it simple to clean ceilings, walls, tiles, glass, sinks, and tight spaces with minimal effort. Up to 90 minutes of cordless cleaning on a single full charge, allowing you to tackle large bathrooms, kitchens, and floors effortlessly. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Cookie Cutter. Set of 32 PCS biscuit molds and fruit fork set includes 16 cartoon-shaped biscuit molds and 12 fruit fork for kids, 2 demold stick and 2 cleaning brush. It can be used for vegetables, sugar cake, DIY biscuits, chocolate, mini pie, cookie fruit into multiple shapes with these cute shape mold. Made of food-grade stainless steel material and PP material, rust resistance and durable to use, no deformation. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Salad Processor. Space-saving collapsible technology. Innovative collapsible design allows the spinner to fold flat for easy storage and expand to a generous size for washing and drying large batches of salad, fruits, and vegetables. Versatile multifunctional tool. More than just a salad spinner. It also cleans fruits, dries vegetables, and slices salads effortlessly. One tool for multiple kitchen tasks, saving your time and counter space. Crafted from durable, food-safe materials, the salad spinner is built to last. Its smooth, easy to clean surface ensures hassle-free maintenance and keeps your kitchen looking tidy. The large capacity bowl is perfect for preparing family meals or meal prepping, making healthy eating easier than ever. Product link is given in the 30th link.